Marshall F. Falstein, Susan Falstein, and Paul R. McHugh developed the Mini Mental State Examination, or MMSE, in 1975. It is a brief test that assesses cognitive impairments such as trouble understanding, thinking, concentrating, or remembering that can affect an individual's daily life. An MMSE contains 11 questions that tackle the following areas: memorizing and recalling a list of terms, composing short sentences with proper grammar, replicating a specific drawing from the examination, recognizing the current day, date, month, year, and season accurately, and identifying current location. This mini mental state examination can look overwhelming, so us at Carepatron have made it easy to understand by providing a MMSE example. In our MMSE worksheet, we have questions like: what year is this? What is the current season? What month is this? What's the date today? Spell world backwards. Each question is worth a different amount of points. At the end of the examination, add the total of each question. MMSE has a maximum score of 30. If the score is 26 or higher, it's considered normal or no cognitive impairment. If the score is between 25 to 20, it can be interpreted as mild cognitive impairment. If the score is between 19 to 10, it can be moderate, but if the score is between 9 to 0, it indicates possible severe cognitive impairment. Here is a sample of our MMSE test. To find our MMSE test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.